Good morning. Today we will discuss about control unit, which is also one of the important components of CPU. We will discuss in detail about CU and we will study what are the major functions of control unit. Control unit is a component of the CPU which controls and coordinates the overall operations of a computer system. So it acts as a controlling device which coordinate and control every components as well as every actions of a system. It tells the computer's memory, ALU and input-output devices how to respond to the instruction that they receive, and it also controls the flow of data between the CPU and other devices. That is, it controls the movement of data and instructions into and out of the CPU and controls the operation of various components of a computer. Now we will see the diagram of control unit. It is having several input lines as well as it is having output lines. The inputs include clock, instruction register, flags, etc. So we will see what is a clock. The control unit causes one micro operation to be performed for each clock pulse. This is referred to as processor cycle time or the clock cycle time. And next one is instruction register. The opcode of the current instruction is used to determine which operation to be performed during the execution cycle. So it will be informed to the control unit. Another input signal is through the flags. These are used to determine the status of the CPU and the outcome of the previous ALU operation. The control unit also accepts control signals from the control bus, which is part of the system bus, which connects with the other components of the system. It provides signals to the control unit such as interrupt signals, acknowledgements, etc. from the other components of the system. Now we will see what are the outputs produced by the control unit. It will provide the signals within the CPU to control and coordinate the components inside the CPU and to make the data transfer between these components, and it will also produce signals to the outside components. So these are the two signals produced from the control unit. Now let's see what are the functions of CU. The major functions include it will fetch the instruction, that is micro operation to be performed by the processor from the primary memory at the location pointed to by the program counter register. So whenever the processor is ready for execution, it will fetch the instruction from the primary memory as per the program counter register. Then it will decode the instruction in the instruction register and it will execute the instruction as per the sequence of micro operations. So the major functions include fetching, decoding and executing the instructions as per the sequence. The CU also issues signals that control all data transfer between various components, both internal to CPU and external to CPU. It also controls the entire system by means of timings and synchronization. The control unit can be implemented in various ways. There are two types of control unit implementations. One is hardwired control unit and microprogrammed control unit. We will discuss in detail about these two types of implementations in the next session. I hope you understand the basic concepts regarding the control unit. The topic will be over only after we study about the control unit implementation.